In this video, we will be discussing the Semmes-Weinstein monofilaments testing. This is a standardized testing procedure used to evaluate skin sensitivity. This procedure can allow the clinician to map the areas of sensitivity loss and assess the degree of loss or return of feelings. For this test, you will need an anesthesiometer consisting of handheld testing filaments. Each nylon filament is precisely calibrated and of equal length of 38 millimeters. They can be 20 or 5 filament sets of individual filaments of varying diameters. The filaments are mounted into individual lucite rods. Each filament size is marked with the resultant log force, preceded by sequential lettering, and is further color-coded to aid in the quick assessment of degree of sensitivity. This chart explains the color-coded 20-piece and 5-piece kits. It explains the color code of the filament kits, their log force, and their calculated force.
Okay, so I have your hands stabilized here. First, with your eyes open, I'm going to demonstrate the test so you know what I'm doing. And then when we start the actual test, I'll have you close your eyes and you will respond yes if you feel the touch. So first I'll demonstrate. This is the filament. I'm going to touch the finger here. And then I will be doing the same on your left hand. Okay, first we will start with your right hand, so go ahead and close your eyes. You will respond yes if you feel the touch.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
The subject was unable to identify the 2.83 filament on her ring and small finger. Therefore, the 3.61 filament will be used.
Keep your eyes closed.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we'll do the left hand. So go ahead and close your eyes, and we will begin.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Each filament is marked with an alpha letter preceding the traditional 3-digit numeric code. Green is A 1.65 to D 2.83, meaning normal sensitivity. Blue is E 3.22 to F 3.61, which equals diminished light touch. Purple is G 3.84 to J 4.31, which is diminished protective sensation. Red is K 4.56 to T 6.65, which is loss of protective sensation. Red lined and above is T 6.650 and is untestable. The study that found the repeatability tested 41 filament kits for their filament application force, single and multi-tester application force repeatability. The study shows that the Semmes-Weinstein monofilaments vary relatively little and are a controlled, reproducible force stimulus for use in a clinical testing. For the single tester, they used 28 unused mini-kits containing 5 filaments. They used the 1.5 second method for application. The kits were examined in groups. A single tester applied each filament of each kit 10 times, and the results were then averaged. The standard deviation as a percent of mean for each filament showed that there was little change for the small filaments through the larger filaments. For the multi-tester, they used 6 mini-kits of 5 filaments among multiple testers. They tested for application force by 5 testers. Each filament was applied 15 times by each tester, and then results were averaged. Calculations of the standard deviation percentage of mean shows little change overall. The F-test of significance among the various testers showed some differences great enough to be significant at the 0.01 level. Here are my references, and thank you for watching.